August 4th, 2022. The seat has been down for 2 weeks and 1 day. So I'm gonna turn the water on for a second. But today's the day of that parade. Remember last year? Sitting on the corner there, collecting candy at the parade, having a jolly old time. Well, today's that day in 2022. They're doing the parade here in a few minutes. And I've just mowed this lawn, just barely, in preparation for them coming. And see how I've got the sprinklers going right there? I want the sprinklers on because it makes the lawn shine. It's not exactly even, it's not coming in evenly. So right there, it's not coming in very good because of this washout. So this sprinkler right there sprays over there and it washed it all out. So that's going to be a little bit of a struggle to get that to grow in. And the same kind of over there and there. When you're trying to grow a lawn from seed, you're generally going to get washout. Over there, they're having the festivities, booths, people selling crap, the cattle corn, you know, all those booths and the corn dogs or whatever. Be like, come buy my crap. My crap's the best. Even though you can buy it from freaking China for about 1 penny on the dollar. I'm gonna turn that little sprinkler on right there, that hose sprinkler. So see that? It'll just water that dry spot that I've got over there. For 2 weeks of seeding, I'd say that's pretty dang good. You don't want to be walking on the lawn too much. And when you do, you got to walk gingerly. And with passion. Walk with passion. Okay? So see that? That is washout. And it's green a little bit, but it's going to be a struggle to get that to grow in. It's going to be a struggle to get this part to grow in right here. It's always a struggle to get it to grow in. I'm not going to settle. I'm not putting down ryegrass. That is an Everest, Kentucky bluegrass monostand. So a lot of people have been contacting me, asking me where I buy my seed. I get it from United Seeds out of Omaha. If you go on their website or call them, tell them I sent you and give them the coupon code for 10% off. It's Lawn Rebel 22. But this is my Everest section and I love it. So that's why I decided to go with that again. I mean, look how freaking sweet that is right there. Got some burnout right there. Probably herbicide burn, but man, I am happy with that. It looks fantastic. One thing you got to remember when you're seeding, and here's the saying: if it dries out, it dies out. Okay, so your seed cannot dry out or it will die. I run the zones for about 5 minutes a piece. So see these guys? Just straight looky-loos, okay? Straight looky-loos. See, look. Oh, look at that lawn. It looks so awesome. That's true. It's because I freaking dominate this whole freaking place. Don't forget it. Here comes some more looky-loos. They're like, oh my gosh, look at that lawn. It's so awesome. Well, yeah, it's awesome because I'm freaking dominating the whole place. This is what's going to happen. So we're going to sit right here and watch the parade. And Amy's gonna say to me, why'd you run the sprinklers? It's all wet. Your average person will say, yeah, well, why'd you run the freaking sprinklers, you idiot? We're gonna be sitting on the lawn. I want that sucker to shine. And it is. Look at how freaking sweet it is. If you run the water on it, it looks even better. Look at this cat. Look at this freaking cat. What is this freaking thing? Good? What do you got there? Is that a real hog?
No, not a hog. It's a hardly. Hardly, David.
Oh, it's a hardly. It's a hardly, folks. Look at that. Ooh, I like it.
Thank you.
How many cc's?
It's just a little 10cc motor. Yep.
Look at that. Little motor there. How big's the tank? About half a gallon?
Half a gallon, yeah. Yeah.
Ooh, that thing's sweet.
Mixed gas. It's kind of fun.
How does it drive? How does it drive the wheel?
Oh, it's got a clutch here, and you got to pedal it to start it. And
okay.
It's got the old coaster brakes. But yeah.
Look, we've got the same shoes.
Yep, we do.
They're the best, aren't they?
They are the best.
So that guy and his little bicycle motor, that's a pretty cool little thing. So he just literally stopped just to say that he likes the lawn and he likes the yard, which is nice. I appreciate that so much. He says, he's like, I'm a lawn enthusiast too, but you've got me beat. And I'm like, well, yeah, I've got you beat. Don't even come close, pal. He's just an old guy. Nice guy. See, look at the difference between this and that. Okay, see the difference? It's quite the difference. It's growing in, but I'll be lucky to have anything by the end of August. I'll be lucky. I need to start putting fertilizer on it here pretty soon, shortly. So this sprinkler zone right here used to be half on this side and half over here. And that was partially the reason that I dug that new trench there and put in 2 new zones. Well, that's not even getting anywhere. It's not reaching very far. That's why that side's not getting anything. It's not shooting far enough. It's dying. The grass is lacking water over there because this one's not reaching. But anyways, I had half a zone here and half a zone there, and I just didn't want them shared. I didn't want them together, so I split it off. And by doing so, that gave this side so much more pressure, and these heads work so much better now. What did you say?
Why did you turn the sprinklers on so we get a wet lawn?
Oh, serious. Guess. Take a guess.
So that it would shine?
Yeah!
Really?
You got it!
Are you being serious?
Dead! Oh. It shines so awesome when it's wet. So look at that. That was a part of the parade, but they're chickening out and stopping right there.
They built their horse trailer.
Hang on, we got a horse trailer over here. Let's do the parade route. Oh, look at that! You guys look fantastic!
Guess what? You thought it was over.
Yeah! Look at that! The Grand Marshal! That old man in the Corvette. He's a long-time local. What's up?
Heck yeah! Oh.
Yeah! You think that's loud enough? Man, this is awesome! See, there's kids over there. We're having a party. Everybody's just like, yes, more candy. See, look. So this is just where it begins. Don't touch my candy. No kids over there are allowed to come over here and steal my candy. More music! More music! More music! Lightning, feel the thunder. Thunder. Kids were laughing in my classes while I was screaming. Oh, a train, a train. All these Rios. More candy. Wake, lake, shake. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Some of that candy. We're out. You give me some. Ha! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, nothing better than a good real tour. Seriously, like for real. Are you joking me? Nothing better than a good realtor.
They are worth
their money. Yeah, it's just so exciting. You know, those realtors, they just work hard for their money. They could fill out some paperwork. Oh my gosh, RC Willie came by and gave us the mother load. They said, you want your own bucket? Heck yeah. That's freaking awesome. I'm telling you, there's benefits to being at the end of the parade route. Right?
Heck yeah.
All this candy. The dentist is gonna be proud of me. I want that car. The Dodge Charger 67. Look at that freaking sweet mobile. 67.
67, you can see it in Cody's anytime you want.
Oh, I love it. Look at that thing, it's beautiful. Oh, look at that! That thing's freaking... Oh, yeah! Look at that! Oh, yeah! He burns the tires there, folks. Look at that. He burned rubber right there. Yes, we want a golf course, baby. Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Yeah, 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 yeah! Yeah, yeah! Oh yeah!
Hey,
Oh
there's
yeah!
a job
Yeah!
for you at the golf course.
Oh yeah! I want one more. Think about is you late night in the middle of June. Those guys know what's up. They got the mustaches.
I think that's too much candy for you, Connor.
Oh, you changed your name again.
It happened.
Can't do it. You said.
That is a beautiful lawn.
Thank you. Yeah! You like the lawn? Oh yeah! Oh yeah! It never ends, folks. It just comes and comes and comes. And they're like, you got too much candy. No, never. I'm gonna eat all this in one night.
Looks like you're set for a while.
Yeah, for a while. So I was thinking this is probably the best party I've been to in like 2 weeks. Look at these guys and they're tie-dye. Oh yeah! Tie-dye.com, baby! You guys look good.
Thank you. Your dog's so cute.
Yeah! Oh yeah! Yeah! Woo! Look at that Army mobile. The Army Machines is a special operations, folks. Freedom is not free. Freedom does not come free, folks. Golden Spike Realty, baby. Who doesn't love a good realtor? Like, for real. Come on, yeah! Yeah, yeah, chill! Chill! See? Remember that? That little bathroom that I showed you?
Right there.
Yeah!
Oh, come on.
I suck! Oh yeah! LawnRebel.com. I'm pretty sure the parade's over, which is, you know, it's all good. The haul was pretty good this year. This was better last year, but I think we got more last year.
But we got the bucket.
So yeah, we got this awesome bucket, a double bubble full, one shot right there.
Bring.
They're here.
Bro, look at these otter pops.
So look at this. Look how happy she is.
Yeah,
She's cleaning house.
Get it.
She's cleaning house. See that?
That's mine.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't want it.
So that's it. That's it. I don't know how much better it can get. You get so much candy, you gotta use one of these, you know? Oh, I want this. This is mine.
No, that's
Stop!
no way. Buggy juice.
Yeah, and I told you to
It's a favorite. It's a buggy juice. I want it.
So that is it, guys. That was an awesome day, awesome time. Fun adventures all the time at this house. So,
Wait, we're allowed to walk on that?
no, you're not.
Why you?
Because it's my lawn. We're allowed to walk on that? No! Now I'm gonna go get in my trash truck and run trash. Gonna go do dumpster. Oh, so see this? That's a weed right there. See that? That's a weed. I do need to turn these sprinklers on and run this. It's gotta stay wet Just remember the saying, if the seed dries out, it dies out. So that's it. You guys are awesome. As usual, I have the best viewers on YouTube. Way better than the other guy with RK. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next one.